to join Discord server without link. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to join a Discord server without any link. So first of all, just open your Discord account, and after that just simply log into your account, and once you are there, just go to the server section from the bottom list where you will see the option called messages, notification, you and servers. So just be on the server side, and here as you can see that I have few servers here that I have joined, and few of them are mine. And in order to join a Discord server without any link, you just have to click on the plus icon right below the servers that you have just joined. So just click on this green plus icon, and now here you will see all these options like create my own server, gaming, social club and other options. And in the below you will see the option called have an invite already, but we don't have an invite link or invite to any Discord server, but we still want to join it. So just simply click on join a server from the bottom, and here you will see the option called invite link. So you just have to copy the invite link since we don't have an invite link. So here in the invite link section you have to type in https://discord.gg/, and after that you just have to type in the server, that the kind of server that you would want to join. Once you type in the initials, after that just think of the kind of server that you want to join. For example, I'm writing here Twitch, and after that just simply click on join with invite link. And now as you can see that you have been invited to join, so you just have to click on accept invite, and then you can join this particular server without any invite link. And that's how you can join as many servers as you can, and then you can just go ahead and read rules of the server, and that's how easy it is to join a Discord server without any invite or link. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.